Good morning. This is John Clayman with IntelliFinishing. I'm standing in front of JR Custom Metal Fabrication's IntelliFinishing system this morning, and I just wanted to send out a message to all of our friends and prospects and customers that don't forget about Powder Coating Week. It's coming up March 7th, 8th, and 9th. And if you're watching this video, we should probably send you an email saying, inviting you to come visit us at the Powder Coating Week. We're looking forward to seeing you, and I hope you all have a great start to March. And we'll see you down in Orlando, Florida, if you're able to make that event. It's a fun event. I think you'll learn a lot. And of course, we'll be there as an exhibitor with a lot of our co-vendors like Midwest Finishing Systems will be there with us. And of course, many other vendors through the powder coating industry. So if you have any questions about the Powder Coating Week, I welcome your call, and we'll look forward to seeing you down there March 7th, 8th, and 9th. Thanks, and here's a little peek at the system here at JR Custom. They're doing a lot of sheet metal work this morning, but they also have many other products that they do on this system. Our video online has more information about it. Take care.